How to confirm your PayPal email address. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can confirm your PayPal email address. Now the process is quite simple and easy, however I won't be able to show you since it restricts from recording the screen. Even if I do so, my screen will turn blank while I play the video, so there is no use in that. But what I can do is I can guide you through. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your PayPal app and you'll get an interface at your home page somewhat, and at the top left corner you'll find the profile icon of your. So what you want to do is you want to click on that profile icon at the top left, and once you click on it you'll get list of options, and you want to head into the personal information option, and under it you'll find the email address where it says primary email. Now there, if you are left to confirm your email address, you'll find a little confirm this email address option there. You'll find it beside your email address, and all you have to do is you'll have to press on that option and you'll have to go through a couple of steps and you'll be able to confirm your email address. So this way you can confirm your email on PayPal. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.